Hey, did you see the news about Bharti Airtel? Their shares actually snapped a 6-day losing streak and jumped almost 3% today, hitting an intraday high of $1,649.05 rupees on the NSE. Apparently, it's all thanks to a new partnership with Ericsson to boost their 5G transition.
Wow, that's a significant turnaround. I did see a press release about the Bharti Airtel and Ericsson 5G tech partnership. It seems like a pretty big deal, right? The market clearly thinks so.
Yeah, it is actually. This partnership is all about Airtel using Ericsson's 5G core technology to boost their 5G network.
5G core? What exactly does that involve?
Well, it's essentially the brains of the 5G network. Ericsson will be providing solutions for packet core signaling, charging, and policy. This helps Airtel transition to a full scale 5G standalone network.
Okay, so it's like upgrading the engine of a car to make it run smoother and faster. And investors are clearly betting that this engine upgrade will pay off.
Exactly. Randeep Sekon, the CTO of Bharti Airtel, mentioned it's a pivotal move for their long-term 5G strategy. It'll help increase network capacity and deliver innovative services.
That makes sense. What's in it for Ericsson, though?
Andres Vicente from Ericsson said they are committed to providing Airtel their latest tech solutions. This helps solidify their position as a global 5G leader.
So it's a win-win. More advanced tech for Airtel and a stronger market presence for Ericsson. And a nice stock bump for Airtel's shareholders.
Precisely. Ericsson's tech will also enable Airtel to monetize their 5G network through network slicing and API exposure.
Network slicing?
Think of it like dividing a pizza into different slices, each with different toppings and purposes. Network slicing allows Airtel to create dedicated virtual networks for specific uses, like gaming or industrial automation.
Ah, that's a neat analogy. So, what specific solutions are Ericsson deploying?
They're deploying their signaling controller solution and also introducing their 5G standalone enabled charging and policy solution.
And this helps with the monetization. How?
Well, it allows Airtel to develop new business models based on these advanced 5G capabilities. It gives them more flexibility in pricing and service offerings, actually.
Okay, so more ways to generate revenue from their 5G network. I guess that makes sense.
Absolutely. And it's worth noting that Airtel and Ericsson have a long standing relationship. This partnership spans over 25 years and covers every generation of mobile communications.
Wow, that's a long time.
Yeah, Ericsson even got Airtel's first 5G contract in India.
That shows a lot of trust and reliability between the two companies.
Definitely. Airtel is a major player, with over 550 million customers across India and Africa.
They're huge. It says here they are among the top 3 mobile operators globally.
Exactly. And they offer a wide range of services, from mobile broadband to digital payments and cloud solutions.
It's not just about mobile anymore. It's like they're building a whole digital ecosystem.
Precisely. They even have a subsidiary, Industar Ltd, for passive infrastructure services.
So they're covering all the bases, from the network infrastructure to the services they offer.
And this 5G partnership with Ericsson is a key piece of that puzzle. It's about future-proofing their network and staying ahead of the curve.
This makes me wonder, what are some of the innovative services Airtel can offer with this new 5G standalone network?
Think about things like enhanced mobile broadband for super fast downloads, ultra reliable low latency communication for applications like remote surgery, and massive machine type communication for IoT devices.
Remote surgery? That sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie.
Right? But it's becoming a reality with 5G. The low latency is crucial for real-time control and precision. Disclaimer, we advise investors to check with certified experts before taking any investment decisions.
That's incredible. And what about for regular consumers like you and me?
Well, we can expect faster and more reliable mobile internet, better streaming quality, and new augmented reality experiences.
Augmented reality, huh? Like those AR games that overlay digital images on the real world?
Exactly. 5G will make those experiences much smoother and more immersive.
I can definitely see the appeal. Hey, if you're enjoying this discussion, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more insightful content.
Thanks for the reminder. Now, let's talk a bit more about the enterprise side of things. Airtel offers a lot of solutions for businesses, right?
Yeah, it mentioned secure connectivity, cloud and data center services, cybersecurity, and IoT solutions.
With Ericsson's 5G core technology, they can enhance these offerings and provide even more value to their enterprise customers.
How so?
Well, think about things like smart factories with connected sensors and robots, or autonomous vehicles that rely on real time data. 5G's low latency and high bandwidth are essential for these applications.
So it's not just about faster internet speeds, it's about enabling entirely new industries and business models.
Exactly. And as Ericsson mentioned, their dual mode 5G core enables monetization through network slicing based services and network API exposure, which unleashes new innovative use cases for consumers and enterprises.
This partnership seems strategically vital for Airtel, positioning them as a leader in the 5G space. It's fascinating how it leverages both companies' strengths.
Right. And given their long history together, it seems like a natural evolution of their relationship. Ericsson brings the tech expertise, and Airtel brings the market reach and customer base.
So, what's the big picture here? What's the ultimate goal of this collaboration?
It's about transforming India into a digitally empowered nation, actually. By deploying advanced 5G technology, Airtel and Ericsson are paving the way for new innovations and economic opportunities.
That's a pretty ambitious goal, but it sounds like they're well on their way to achieving it.
Absolutely. With this partnership, Airtel is solidifying its position as a leader in the Indian telecom market and setting the stage for a 5G powered future. It's kind of like watching a tech giant level up. What do you think will be the next big advancement in 5G technology?